Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to holler at you for a second. Sitting outside of the pool area, letting my kids do their thing. And I was thinking about something, and my daughter said something that caught my attention. When I drive back here to Phoenix, she was saying how she was telling some of her friends about I have never said I was going to do something, and I didn't do it. She said if he say he gonna do it, he gonna do it. If he say let me think about it and see if I can do it, then he gonna get back at me. But if he tell me we gonna do it, it's written in stone. And I think that's a good characteristic to have when you're dealing with business and when you're dealing with anybody. You know, dealing with any business and any independent adventure. You know what I mean? You want to be a man of your word. If you say it, you need to stand on it, even if it hurts. You know, but because you gave your word, and now you got to go do it. I just drove to go get my kids because I couldn't get everything together to fly them in like I wanted to. So I had to physically drive from Phoenix to Fort Smith to Searcy, Arkansas, pick up my kids, turn around, drive back. And I would have had to go to Newport, but my daughter was in Searcy, which is like 30-minute drive from Newport. So basically, I almost went to Newport and got her and turned around and came back. And man, that was a long drive, coming and do it and then turn around and, you know, looking out for them while we driving. But you know what it did? It let them know how much I loved them and what my relationship was with them as far as how I wanted to be a part of their life. So I would think that anyone that's doing anything for someone, stand on your word, man. Your word and business gonna